everyone, today we have a short video of my dad ploughing up a vegetable patch in preparation for planting potatoes soon. The tractor we are going to use is a 1941 Ford Ferguson with a Perkins P3 conversion, and the nearest plough to hand is a Massey Ferguson 793L base 3-furrow. This plough is noticeably heavier built than the earlier Ford Ferguson plus Ferguson ploughs, which might be an advantage today as the ground is very hard and has lots of stones plus rock. The two lower links are connected with their linchpins, followed by the top link. The little 9N has great hydraulics, plus can handle this heavy plough with ease. Very heavy rain has left the ground very sticky, plus with more rain forecast, this is a good opportunity to get the ground ploughed. The bonnet sits in the normal position on the 9N despite the high Perkins engine, which my dad insisted on doing when he done the conversion. High torque of the P3 means it can handle the plough at low RPM, which is a big advantage over the original TVO engine. You can see the Ferguson system in action here, adjusting the draft on the tractor. The water line at the end of the feed is useful for giving the tires a quick clean at the end of each run. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell so you never miss my newest upload. Now, I will see you in the next video. Bye!